Welcome back. If you're familiar with the Roadmaster, it has lower fairings on the front of it to protect the rider's leg from weather, bugs, rain, you name it. But I have taken mine off for the summer. I'm going to try one more time. I've taken them off before and put them back because of all the wind turbulence I got from underneath the fairing up underneath my helmet. That to me wasn't worth the cooling effect. So the reason I removed the blowers from this bike is because this is an air-cooled motor, and that's my only complaint about it, is right there at the where the ankle, my right ankle goes. It's like an inferno and I have to keep moving my foot around. So I am going to try today something that others have tried, and that is this item right here. It's called the JES Custom Wind Deflector. And it's a beautifully made item. It comes in this chrome, which is what I chose because of all the chrome that's on my bike. I thought it would go best. But they also have a bare metal one, and they have a matte painted one. And so there's a rubber cover right there that comes off. There's a place, as you see, there's two holes that will match up with what's under the rubber cover. I'm going to pop that off in a second and see if the bolts, included bolts, will fit without tapping, but I'll come back and let you know. Okay, here's the rubber stopper removed in two pre-threaded holes that will accept the wind deflector. Sorry about that. Holes that will match up, and then we'll put the bolts right in, the included bolts, and I'll show you the finished product shortly. Okay, easy enough to install with the 13mm socket wrench. It does have some adjustment because of the oblong holes, but you can see the installation, what it looks like with the wind deflectors. You got a nice curve or bend to it. I'm glad I went with the chrome, and I'm going to do the other side and probably do a test drive. I'll be back. And there it is, both sides installed. See if I could zoom in a little bit, give you a better idea. They do have that bend to them, so I imagine that's going to direct the air where it's supposed to go. It's got the fairing in the front and the electric windshield, so let's see if we can eliminate the buffeting with this setup. Go on a test drive and let you know the results. Test drive with the new wind deflectors from JES Customs. I will say this, I am more than pleased with the results. I can't believe that I have zero heat. I'm going to say that again, zero heat on my right ankle, which was always burning and my main complaint about the Indian Roadmaster. And the lowers are gone. I don't even know if I'm going to put them back ever. But this air-cooled bike is now nice and cool. We're going at 65 miles an hour. No buffeting, I was on the highway before, put the windshield up a little. It's push button electric windshield. So that combination is a complete blessing for this bike. That was my one complaint, and I was considering selling this bike this summer just because of the burning on my ankle. And I said that enough's enough. I'm going to get something cooler, but when I researched the bikes I was looking at, they also put out a lot of heat. One of them was the Triumph 900 GT, a much lighter bike, different bike, but open style cockpit. This still has a big front nose fairing with the windshield, so I've got good protection from weather, from elements, bugs, but my legs feel wonderful. Well worth the investment. Prior to, I may have said this, as I've taken my lowers off before and then put them back on because the turbulence was annoying, uncomfortable. But with these JES custom wind deflectors, this bike is a pleasure to ride, and I'm not just saying that, I truly mean it. I mean, I'm just shocked by the 100% difference in the comfort now on this bike. So if you're hesitating in taking your lowers off and putting wind deflectors on, I would definitely consider these. These make a huge difference in your rider comfort. My goodness, I used to have to put my foot on the what'd you call it? I lost my train of thought. I used to have to put my foot on the crash bars up front, crash bars, just to get out of the heat. And now, I'm just out of the heat. So, let me know if you have any questions. They have 3 styles: bare metal, black matte finish, and I got the chrome. Y'all take care.